Who are we?
We are
the Honor Family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am. What's up, YouTube? We coming to you guys on a windy day.
Vlog 1 nature. So we're gonna start doing this. We're gonna start doing vlogs of nature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna name each vlog with a nature title. So yeah, this is what me and Zaeyear was talking about last night. So we decided to come out and do it today. So it's a windy city, windy day.
A windy nature day. Yeah, that's how
Yep.
it like. But yeah, everything is like
Dead because it's winter, y'all. Everything's dying.
you still got like a little bit like
Still a little bitty flowers.
yeah.
But you know it's fall too, so everything's falling. All the leaves are falling and stuff.
Yeah, you see the ground, see trees.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
All the flowers.
But look, y'all, they all like
Crunched up.
yeah, crunched
They're
up.
like, if you guys look, they're all crunchy.
Yeah,
Normally
man.
they're soft, but they're crunchy. Like,
Crazy.
y'all, me, I brought a coffee to go.
But yeah, look at this, y'all.
They're all so, well, they're not as crunchy, but they're still a little big.
I'm finna go try to see how the nature house look. See if it's the stuff falling off. You don't think so?
Oh, the one on the side?
Yeah.
Let's see. Probably not.
They look red like the ones back there on the grate. On the gate. I said on the grate.
I ain't gonna know till you're all the way down.
But yeah, look at this.
It's just dying, guys. The leaf is brown.
Yeah,
It's still there, but it's not green anymore. So all the leaves are dead now.
look.
They're all old. Now, you can come out here to see them next house. All the leaves were green at first, but they're all old now.
Look, y'all. The nature house.
It looks sad now.
Yeah, it really do. Dang. Oh, they're beautiful. That's cool. So windy out here though.
I told Bear it wasn't cold out here, but it actually is. Earlier when I came out, it wasn't real cold. But it kind of got a little more chillier though, so a little bit cold.
Yeah.
They call it the Windy City for a reason.
Sure. And that had too. But yeah. Crunchy.
Put down slow mo.
But yeah. The nature tree. Dang. Oh, it's another nature tree over there. So I'm gonna try to go in our field and try to see if it's still like.
Oh, okay, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, cause
Look how big this tree looks. It's like all cracked up. That is a huge tree. Alright, y'all. So, follow and learn alone as we walk to the next nature house.
yeah.
All this greenery over here is still looking nice.
Yeah, still looking cool. Oh. Oh. grass, a lot of nature, a lot of beauty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That nature. I feel like that was falling too. Look at these. Those ones. Those ones just gone.
Oh, these trees are so limpy. You're leaning over so bad. That's bad.
Yeah. Nature. Ooh.
One. Wow.
Oh, it's not. Is it? Because I see them trees over it. You really can't tell.
I think the leaves are like the other ones.
Yeah.
Like brown and gold.
Yeah.
And Jada.
Hi.
Who's that?
Who was that?
I don't know. They're just saying so. Yeah, but that nature.
We should take this to Baby K.
Crazy. Why you hide your face?
Shante. They already seen your face in the other video.
But yeah, want to get them a motivational quote.
Okay, so to be something, this is what Zaeyear always says, you guys. I kind of stole from him, but we both say this together. To be something, you have to sacrifice something, you guys. If you want to be something in life, you have to make sure it's hard work. Take your time and always do something that you don't want to do. There's gonna be things in life you don't want to do, but you have to do it to get to the point where you want to be in life, you guys. So always remember that no matter how far you're gonna go in life, you can do it. And yes, it's gonna take time. You may fail a couple times, but you're gonna always succeed at the end, you guys.
Powerful.
And we love you guys so much. You guys know that. If we didn't love you so much, we wouldn't be posting all the stuff we post for you guys. Yeah, we take our time out of the day just for y'all.
Yeah, I'm behind the camera, y'all. So yeah, what she said is true, 100% true. You gotta really dedicate your life through tough times, no matter how hard it get, because life is gonna be hard in general. You just gotta take your steps after step after step, no matter what thing coming your way. You just gotta know how to really you just gotta know how to really like focus on what you really want to do in life. It's not about like, it really is about the mistakes you do, but I promise you, you can always get through that.
Amen.
True.
Definitely.
But yeah.
You know, walk around the alley on the sidewalk and see
Yeah, we
what
can.
nature's in front.
But yeah. Like nature is all about like a step or like the next step.
Nature is what builds us.
Yeah.
Nature is what builds a community around you. I feel like nature is the majority of what's in this world because it's a lot of, no matter where you go, it's nature all around you. It's water all around you, no matter where you go.
Water is the most beautiful thing.
Yes, it is.
Nature is the most beautiful thing.
Ocean and beaches makes me so happy. I feel like it's just a chill vibe moment. You're motivated, and you just like, it's just a moment where you just enjoying your life.
Yeah.
Like when you go to places like that, it's just like, this is my time to shine. This is me vibing and chilling, you know, enjoying my time. So yeah, I love beaches and oceans, you guys. Even though I get sunburned easily, but I don't let that bother me.
Yeah.
You just gotta live your life the way you want it to be. So I picked this little flower for baby K because she loves flowers, y'all. And she hasn't been out to picking it yet, so I'm gonna give this one to her. And this is the only one. Zaeyear saw it. I shouldn't have snatched it, but I did. Just for my baby, so. Look, here's a lot of yellow leaves. Look at the
Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that. Look at the red trees, y'all.
And that's what I love about fall because it's because it changes you, like nature changes you. Sorry, I was trying to swallow my drink. Nature changes you for who you are as a person. When you go out in nature, it's all about feeling the breeze, the wind, smelling the fresh air. It's all of the above, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
So it's beautiful. Man,
They're looking at us?
they're walking. They cross the street. You guys, we just gotta watch our back, you know, because of what that last incident happened. But anyways, back to the conversation. Nature's like a nice breeze, wind. I mean, who loves summer and winter? Like, my favorite is winter because like it snows.
My favorite is summer.
But it also gets too cold. It also gets too cold. And then summertime and it gets too hot.
Yeah.
So it's really like, which one should I pick? Because like, it's either too hot or too cold. But yeah, you guys. They cleared out the house. It's gone. All the way gone. That did not take them long at all to clear that out.
Oh no.
Like, they was done like 3 days. That is crazy. But yeah. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, dude, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the weather said it was supposed to rain, but it looks like it. No squirrel is asking.
I know.
He's been doing that ever since we came back.
Sorry. Yeah.
Grass is getting taller over here too
Yeah.
again. How can grass just grow so
I
fast? You
don't
never know. It just grows so fast. I pointed this out to Zaeyear before. I used to have a little baby bunny, and these are the leaves that they used to eat. It was something like this. I just had to go outside and just pick those specific leaves for them. But yeah, you guys, so
We'll catch you guys in the house.
yeah. So we'll catch you in the house. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful nature vlog we did, and yeah. All right, catch you in the house. Welcome back, you guys. We are in the house, and it is later on the night. It is 9:09 at night, you guys. Same day, same vlog. Nora, Raya, hello. Say hi to the camera. Say hey. You got your sissy? You got your sissy? You're so cute. So yeah, you guys. What were you watching on TV?
Some about the earth.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Huh? Okay. Oh, thank you. So, Raya and Nora took a late nap. They just woke up about 20 minutes ago.
Hi.
Which, do you know what that means? They're going to be up to about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning.
Crazy.
You okay? Are you okay? You got a runny nose. Yes, you do. Ouch. What you doing? I'm gonna sit you down, okay? Anyways, you guys, so yeah, we're just chilling. It's nighttime. Just me, Zaeyear, and Nora and Ray upstairs right now. Alright, you guys, so if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video. And the honor family is out, you guys. Peace. See ya.
The honor family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.